I have to admit, Walter, that was the best Thanksgiving turkey I have ever had. Sure, it may not be a human corpse, but it still counts.
Well, you can certainly thank Craig for that, Leon. He is a very talented chef after all. He deserves most of the credit. Do you think we should spend Thanksgiving with someone else next year? Like, Willie and his gang, maybe?
Ooh, I would love to spend some quality time with those bloodthirsty lunatics. Sure, they may be 20 years old, and they might be losing their touch of slaughtering humans, but hey, at least they're still my kind of people. Whoa, hold up!
A wind up music box? Oh! I get it. Someone's trying to pull a prank on us. Well, it's not gonna work on me this time, Sir Jokes-a-Lot.
Hold on a second, Walter. I wouldn't do that if I were you. I have seen this exact same scenario before, and trust me, you do not want to go near that wind-up box, because that's what it wants you to do.
Leon, don't you think you're being a little paranoid? It's probably just another one of Drake's pranks. I'm gonna go over there, wind up that music box, and prove to you that it's just a joke.
Walter, I am telling you the truth. This is not some joke. I've seen a lot of horror films that involve childhood toys, and that wind-up box might actually contain a monster just waiting to pop out and strike.
Believe me, Leon, I have seen every single trick in the book. Besides, it's not the first time this happened anyway. Remember the last wind-up box I had 2 months ago?
You may have a point. Well, Walter, if you think you know what you're doing, and if you want to see what's inside that wind-up box, be my guest.
See, Leon, I told you there was nothing to worry about, did I? That's what I call trust in your gut. And you should know that my instincts were never wrong. And if my instincts are not wrong, then neither am I. So I can assure you there is absolutely nothing inside that wind-up box, and it's right behind me, isn't it? Leon? A little help, please?